The 2020 product research blueprint. I got you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over product research, how to find good products, how I also find untapped products. Because the thing is, guys, like, you can't just jump on what's working and make it work in most cases, at least following my strategy. I do recommend, especially when it comes to trying to be profitable and everything, that you guys, definitely take a look when it comes to the untapped market or finding untapped products. So in this video, I'll take you guys inside of my computer. I'll show you guys a little bit about how I product research, some of the criteria when you product research, just how you guys can find these unique products. I get messages every day, people asking if I can do a product research video, and I feel like I've already done it, but I have a couple of new tips here. So I think this video will be one of the better ones on YouTube when it comes to product research. So if you're serious about your e-commerce game, you better watch till the end and drop a like on this video, press the thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe, and we can get straight into the video. So last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is links. You can message me on Instagram here. And if you also want to get into the dropshipping coaching program, you can message me on Instagram here again. And there's no point wasting any time. Let's go into how you find good products, because these products, dude, these products are great. So I'll teach you guys that in a sec. Let's get inside of my computer and I'll show you guys how it's done. Okay, guys, so what I have for you guys here is a ton of tips. First is just my notes, so please don't be mad if these notes are weird. Let me just go over this thing real quick, because you guys might ask, why can I teach you guys this? So the one strength I truly have is product research. This goes for me. My strength here is product research. I'm really good at Facebook ads too, but my product research was I'm best at. So I know how to advertise products. I know how to get it like a high ROAS. We had an average 40 ROAS on a lot of campaigns recently. I know how to do the Facebook ads, but if you don't have a good product and you dropship traditionally, it's probably gonna fail if you don't know how to do your product research. So what I usually say is Facebook ads is number one, unless you kind of know what you're doing. So if you know a little bit of Facebook ads, product research number one is the skill you need the most. It's all about the product. Products is everything, and now I have to combine that with good interest targeting and everything. We're gonna go into AliExpress in a second here, but that's the thing. Products is key. Product is everything. You can be as good as you want with Facebook ads, but if you don't know how to find a good product, this thing is gonna be hard. So the first thing we could do is to scroll a little bit on Ali. I'll show you guys how I find these products. So the place that I use when I research products is, these days, for real, it's only this place, More to Love section, because the only thing I see in More to Love is winning products. This one could go viral, and I know it's gonna be some people in comments saying, and these products are they're saturated. Oh, okay, that's okay. It's cool that they're saturated, but these are examples, right? This is all about me trying to show you guys how to find good products. It doesn't matter if they're older saturated now, but it's just like recognize the pattern here. So I'll scroll this section called More to Love. Already found two potential winners. Yeah, it might be saturated, but this one is a wow factor. It's really cool. This one is also a really cool product. It has a couple of unique functions. I don't know exactly what it does. Could it be a winner? Maybe. I haven't tested it, but I already found two awesome products just by scrolling the More to Love section. If I keep scrolling, I'll find even more, and I'll tell you guys why I'll find even more. That is because my More to Love section is optimized well. So that means whatever I click on, I'll get more of them. So when I do coaching calls in a program, sometimes the guys I work with will come over with a couple of products. I'll click on them, and a guy yesterday, actually, he had this LED thing, the LED shower, and what do I start seeing? Only LED showers, because that's what he was showing me, right? So that's the thing. What you look at is what you're gonna get, and that's a really, really important thing to keep in mind when you do product research. So I would recommend you guys to be a little bit strict with what you click on. Obviously not too strict either, but it's like what you click on is what you're gonna get. So if I were to click on a lot of these toilet things, I would start seeing more of these toilet things inside the More to Love section. And for real, guys, this is the only place I find winners. I just scroll the More to Love. I don't check best match anymore really either. Sometimes, every once in a while, but More to Love is where I find it. So categories, you go into, for example, let's say we go into healthcare. Healthcare is gonna be here. So what I always do here, you guys probably already know this, I sorted by $7 to $70 to, the reason I go $7 and not under $7 is just because if I go under $7, I'm just gonna see so much bad stuff. So here we have an awesome product. This one can be scaled to 7 figures. It is. You guys might say, no, it can't. This product can. I have all the proofs for it, but I can't expose anything about it. I really regret already showing you guys this product, but there we go. Just found a winner. And that's because mine is optimized, right? You'll start seeing the pattern. There's a lot of these neck massagers because people in the coaching been showing me a lot of neck massagers. So I'm starting to see even more neck massages, right? So that's the awesome thing about AliExpress product research, is like it optimized towards what you're clicking on. So I would only scroll in the best match section a little bit at least, and my favorite place would definitely be the More to Love. It's just amazing products in the More to Love. You guys won't even know all the good products I found here yesterday browsing. Now you see, what did I just click on in best match? I just clicked on this one, and now I have two of them right here lined up already. So it's optimized towards what you're clicking on. Here's the third, the fourth. I just clicked on this one too, the fifth. So it's really good. This one is also a really awesome product. I don't care about the shipping or anything. Care about the product here, not if it can be sold. But this product is awesome. It's like a flask, and you could put whatever you want into it, and you keep the keys. And here you can see also, this is an awesome product once again. Maybe it could win. So there's obviously going to be more stuff talked about in this video. I'm going to go over a lot of stuff in depth, but that's just how I do it on AliExpress, and it really is as simple as this. More to Love section is the key, but you need to know how to optimize. optimize it? This is a question I get every single day. Here's just a solution though, but this is a question I get every single day. So you scroll on Ali and you only see the same stuff over again, because I get this question every day. Like I said, like people be scrolling and they're like, hey Henrik, I can't find winner, I only see the same stuff over and over again, it's just all the same. And they're like, why can't I see new stuff? Well, if you want to see new stuff, open up a new tab where you, for example, logged in, like a new browser. New browser is going to be key here. So if you only see the same stuff, open up a new browser, go to, for example, Firefox, like I'm doing right now, and start searching there. Or just log into another AliExpress I was almost going to say AliExpress ad account, but just log into another AliExpress account. If you log into another AliExpress account, as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure I'm signed out. Yeah, so if I were to sign in, for example, now, or open a new browser, I would see a lot of different products. So if we go to Firefox now, for example, I don't think I've ever used Firefox. Look at what's gonna happen now. Oh, this guy's really tried to demonetize me. I just went in here to scroll a little bit for you guys, and I got the worst products for YouTube, so I almost got demonetized there. But what I'm trying to say is I can't scroll more up, because that's going to be really ugly for everyone watching this video. But this is how I find good products, you know. So now I can reset in Firefox, and I can keep scrolling in this browser, and if I want to go back to Chrome, I can go back to Chrome, but now I have the, you know, possibility to reset. So that's the solution if you only feel like you're finding the same stuff. And here's a little bit of a trick here. I already covered it a little bit. Open winners from Facebook ads. So if you find a Facebook ad and you think this is a winning product, it's kind of untapped, open the product every time and find it on AliExpress. Always find a good product on Ali. You scroll Facebook, you see, oh, this product is cool. I'm not going to sell it though, but it's cool. It solves the problem. It's wow factor or whatever. Then go to AliExpress instantly and search up the product you just saw on Facebook. Open it so your AliExpress can optimize, because it optimized, right? So the more winning products, you know, problem solving, wow factor, the more you open up of those, the more AliExpress is going to start understanding what you like to see. So it really, that's going a little bit advanced in terms of optimization, but it's super good. This optimizes your Ali as long as you open in the same browser. So you obviously want to research on products on Facebook in the same browser you are. This is the next one. I sort of covered it a little bit. Be a little bit careful with what you click on, just because, you know, it can mess with the optimization, but it's not too big of a thing. And this is the best match, like I showed you guys already. Go into any category you guys want to. So we can just say, let's just make it really simple now. We just go into home, and yeah, that's about it. And you sorted the price $7 to 70, and you just start researching. This product is getting a little saturated now, but this is also an awesome product. I think it's like portable sewing machine or something. Just a really unique product, and that's because my AliExpress is well optimized, right? So I just see more stuff. This one I already covered. I find all my winners in the more to love section, and that's just where I keep scrolling, because it's where it works. How long should you spend a day on product research, you guys might ask? Because the thing is, if you're gonna spend 5 minutes a day researching product and just sticking to the first one you find, you're never gonna find a winning product. It is as simple as that. Then, because you're just gonna work with what you have, right? And those products might not be the best. So it's super important that you guys set aside the time. I'm talking hours a day. You need to spend a couple of hours a day researching products on AliExpress. And don't get any excuses. I'm seeing the same stuff over again. Install a new browser, open up a new browser, make a new AliExpress account, just sign out of AliExpress, start re-optimizing, or research your products on Facebook, for example. But this is how I do it on AliExpress, and you just have to put in the hours. And like, you know, don't make any excuse like there's only the same products over again, I'll wait until tomorrow. Just keep scrolling. And it's like there's never a case where it's only the same stuff. There will always be some new stuff. Make sure to press a like on this video, you comment, you subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you guys. But that's what you got to do, guys. Scroll for hours. So what is the criteria of a product, you guys may ask? And I obviously have the answer on a product, guys. Criteria. This is super important. Has to be a super wow factor product. By the way, guys, drop a comment here if you want me to do a video where I only showcase winning products, not for you to sell, but just for you to see how a winning product looks. Do you guys want me to make a video where I show like 100 products just so you guys can understand how a winner looks? Anyways, I can do that if you comment it down in the comment section. But you need to find something that's wow factor, something that solves a problem. For example, the furniture mover solved the problem, right? Moving furniture is heavy. It's horrible if you're moving into a new place. Well, sell them the furniture mover for $29.90 at like furnituremover.com with 50% off or something. That's gonna work, and that's what you guys got to do, right? You got to solve a problem or a wow factor, or combine both. That's usually the best part, is they combine both. So this might be a skincare product. Someone is out with their friends, you know, in town. They don't feel comfortable in their own skin. So this person, you know, they always feel like they're the ugly one when they're at. I mean, it's not cool that it's like that, but you guys know how it works. Some girls will probably be, you know, not confident in their own skin. I don't know, it could be guys as well. I've been there myself, to be honest. But if you guys can make those people more confident in their own skin, and you also have a wow factor in the product, like it's something new, it's just the colors look appealing, it just has a nice design. Now we just got a wow factor, 2, oh, I gave you guys a finger. 1, a wow factor, 2, problem solving. And this too, it looks like thumbs up buttons. You might as well click it down. But that's what you guys gotta do. Find wow factor or problem solver, or combine both. And you guys may be asking this question: what will people buy in Q4? In Q4, people will buy gifts. You gotta sell some gift products. But this is the thing, I already covered this in my Q4 video, so I'm not gonna go too in depth on it, but people buy gifts for themselves and for other people. So for example, some makeup stuff could be a perfect gift for a girl. Just focusing on gifts. It maybe like romantic gifts, you know, like the LED or teddy bear, for example. The rose bear was huge last year, right? Gifts can be super good for Christmas, because people are obviously buying gifts for Christmas. Or Q4, whole Q4, people buying gifts for Christmas. Like my grandma started buying Christmas gifts in August. She's probably a little too early, but the price for Q4 is gonna be gifts, gonna be super cool. The niches to look into, I have a video on niches to focus on in Q4, but that's gonna be, for example, healthcare, skincare, maybe sports could be a really good one. And that's about it. Sorry that I didn't unlock it. Top 2 favorite niches, go over here and you'll start finding beauty and healthcare. Healthcare is my favorite, is here. Second favorite is skincare. Skincare is awesome. They both go hand in hand. They're really good. Other good ones are sports and outdoors. Yeah, it says outdoors, fun and sports. But sports and outdoors, I call that's one of my favorites too. Home improvement is awesome. Actually, Tools been making a lot of money. I'm not joking, guys. Tools right here. Oh, that was women's fashion. Tools right here. A lot of money in that niche. I'll tell you, it's probably one of the best e-commerce niches right now. Home is also good, but then make sure you only click on home. And let's scroll more to love. Like it's the funniest thing in the world. It probably isn't, but it's a great way to find good products. So what another way to find a good product too is like find an old product and make it new again. And I'll tell you why. This is like a face cleanser, cleaner, I don't know, pore skin, I don't know what it is, but we've seen this thing before. Let's just pretend it's a skin cleaner. It cleans your skin. You use it every evening. And we've seen a skin cleaner all the time. Like, who hasn't seen a skin cleaner before? Well, you probably have. I have. Everyone has seen a skin cleaner before, but this one just comes in a more nice design, right? So you're sort of making it all trend new again because it's such a nice design. So we used to sell the mole remover as well, and it just died out. Nobody can sell the mole remover anymore. But then me and a guy in my coaching program, we managed to find a mole remover with a more modern design, a new version of the mole remover. Still the same function. It was still just a mole remover, but it looked more appealing. It was a more modern way, and people start buying it like crazy. So sometimes, you know, you can make an old trend new again. And this is what you guys got to do. Scroll AliExpress, scroll the best match, because there's winners everywhere. This is one of the first products I ever scaled, LED shower. Pretty cool. It has like a wow factor. I mean, obviously it's saturated now, but this has a wow factor. I used to scale this back in the day. I think I probably got it for like $5, and it was definitely a really good product. And that's my AliExpress product research strategy. I hope you guys find this helpful. I don't do product research on Facebook. If you do what I did, it might sound too simple, but this is how you make a lot of money on AliExpress. Hope you guys find this video helpful. You smash a like on it, you do subscribe to my channel, and you'll be seeing me in the next video.